Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check the index position of an item in a list. Okay, but before we do that, hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to use time here. We're going to import the time module and we're going to create a function called check index. Okay, and we're going to call it furniture. And we're going to create the list here: chair, table, and sofa. Okay, so we're going to grab some user input. Entry is equal to input here, and we're just going to tell the user to enter a name. Okay, and then we're going to print index position is, and now we're going to use the time function, time.sleep, for 1 second to give us a little bit of a pause to make it look like the program's working. And then we're simply going to print out furniture dot index, so that'll get us the index of the entry that we typed in. Okay, now all we have to do is we have to call it check index. Save it, of course. Let's run this program. Okay, so I'm going to enter a name. I'm going to enter sofa. Index position is 2, so you're going to say, oh, there's 3 elements in here, 1, 2, 3. Well, in Python we start counting at 0, so 0, 1, 2. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's run it again. Enter the name, so let's enter chair, so that should be index position 0. There we go, index position 0. And once more, let's go for table. Should be index position 1. There you go, index position 1, 0, 1. So, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that short bit of code. And if you want to, just drop a comment, just say hello or whatever. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.